Hi everyone, I'm Stacie Spradlin and I'm here to tell you today about the AQS Seam Retreat coming up this October. I'll be leading a workshop entitled for the project Happiness 2.0, where we'll be learning foundation paper piecing and the basics that it takes to piece one of Jacqueline de Jonge's wall hangings, and she's with BeColourful. This quilt behind me is Catch Me. One of the of her patterns is also this Catch Me pattern, but with beautiful circles and spikes and these beautiful checkerboard designs. But we're going to be starting with the basic of Happiness 2.0. With that pattern, you're going to be learning the basic foundations with her second seam allowance. We're going to be making precise points with those circles, and we're going to be learning her flying geese technique along with mitered corners. If you want to join me, I would love to, absolutely love to have you with me. There are a couple of different colorways to choose from. You can check those out at www.seamsdivine.com with my website, or you can email me at Stacie, S-T-A-C-I-E, at seamsdivine.com. I'll be happy to help you choose the project and the colorway that will suit you. I hope you'll join me this October for the Seam Retreat.